Hello and welcome to the tutorial on addition. In this tutorial we will learn about number bonds to 5,000. Now you will recall in previous tutorials we've done number bonds to 100, 500 and 1,000. So this is the next step. Let's have a look at the question we're going to be working through. Put a comma here. Okay, there we have it. 2,418 plus something equals 5,000. So what number added to 2,418 is going to give us 5,000? Now there's more than one way of doing this. We're going to look at one particular method. Have a look at the number 5,000 first. The last three digits are all 0. That means our number 2,418, the last three digits must all equal 0. Okay, they must all equal 0. So let's start with the units. We've got 8 here. So 8, let's take this all the way down, has to equal 0. So how can we make 8 equal to 0? Now we can take away 8, except for this is a plus question. So we can't take away, we have to add. Now what number do we need to add? Well, 8 plus 2 gives us 10. So we've got our 0. But what about the 1? Okay, 8 plus 2 is 10, so that means we're carrying 1 across into the tens. What do we do now? We cross the 1 out. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so now we've got 2. Now we have to get the 2 equal to 0. What number added to 2 gives 0? It is 8. But again, 2 plus 8 equals 10, so we're carrying 1 across into the hundreds. 4 plus 1 is 5, so the 4 has become 5. Let's follow this through. Now the 5 also has to equal 0. What number added to 5 gives 0? Well, it's 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. And again, we are carrying 1 over into the thousands. 2 plus 1 is, well, that's become 3. Now let's follow this through. We want the 3 to equal not 0, but 5, because we're doing 5,000. What number added to 3 gives 5? It is 2. And that is our answer. 2,582. Okay, that's our answer. Now just to double check, let's see if it does equal that. 2,418. And this is a useful exercise to see if you've got it right. Plus 2,582. So those are our two numbers. If we've done this right, these should equal 5,000. Okay, so let's start with the units. We've got 8 plus 2 is, well, that equals 10. How about the tens? We've got 1 plus 8, same as 8 plus 1, that's 9. Don't forget the 1, that equals 10. So we put 1 here and 0 here. Now we're on to the hundreds. We've got 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Don't forget to add the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. And now the thousands, we've got 2 plus 2 is 4. Don't forget the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we've got 5,000. So we worked it out correctly. The answer was 2,582. So that is how we work out number bonds to 5,000.